Coffee! Look at this. Do you see how dark these beans are? Beautiful. So dark, they've got like a slightly bluish tint to them. Oh man, I cannot wait. Beautiful, dark, caramelly espresso. Alright, that's the first sip. Oh man. Yeah. So good. Oh my god. Seriously, make espresso. Check this out. Every time you go over this, it's all like, well, you can't see it. Never mind, you totally couldn't tell in the video. Oh well. I'm not dead. You're not dead. Yet. I'm not dead. You're not dead yet. Alright, we are coming right on. Here we go. No. Oh no! This isn't it. That's not it.
Next one.
Okay. That's not it. Sorry. Here we are. Yes! There we go. This is it.
The bastion of nature and education. No lie.
Here's Taylor. Welcome.
Taylor and his man truck.
His man truck.
His man truck.
Yeah. Should we just walk right in there?
The entrance is over.
Yeah. Where's like Should we walk right in there? It might be kind of muddy. Yeah. Let's just go on over here.
Right. I mean, this is an entrance. It's very small, but this is like the main entrance.
All right. This. Check this out. Here we go.
I can feel the humidity from here.
Yes. It's wonderful.
And the West Nile.
And the West Nile. So, Mr. Magical Note 5 user, how do I do that awesome picture-in-picture?
You'll have to,
Look at the firefly.
you'll go to mode. Actually, what? Here we go. Hold on.
Here. All right. So, this wonderful man right here is going to show me how to do that. Yep, tons of mosquitoes, but I figured it out thanks to this guy. All right. Now then, where to?
To the left. To the left. I saw a firefly.
You know what would be awesome if we had some like mountain bikes and had a GoPro? This is like a mountain bike trail almost. If you keep following it, I've seen people go all the way down.
This place looks like it.
At least the trees don't piss on you here like they do back at the house.
Yeah, exactly.
You've been walking underneath those trees.
You know what that is, right?
That is caterpillar piss.
Close. It's aphid fish.
Even better. Oh, so the tree pissed on you. That's cool.
Yeah.
What the hell? Look. Holy shit.
Looky there.
Whoa, nice.
Totally. Those two snakes.
It's not fully grown. It's not fully
Two
grown.
snakes.
Glad
That's
you caught
beautiful. You see that? Wow.
Nature. You scared.
I know.
There's some water up here.
Ooh, here we go. Well, this is beautiful. Ah, I really like it over there. Look at that.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. I like this stuff. Ooh, don't fall.
Just kidding.
Nature. This is where I like to go whenever I'm feeling sad, when I'm feeling lonely. I can come out here and hang out with all the animals, hang out with all the trees. Or yeah, whenever you need a little bit more itch, which I usually don't actually. I've had fleas. But whatever, I mean, warm-blooded animal. I'm getting on this. I don't know about you guys, but I'm doing something crazy. I don't know if any of these could be like poisonous.
There might be poison oak. Actually, I think I'm standing on it.
Kind of freaky. I like it though. Look at this place. Look at how beautiful it is out here. I really love creeks. I don't know if you guys can notice, but
Ian, that spot was meant for you.
made for me. Yes. Yeah, it's pretty rough and tall. Honestly, I don't feel stable enough on this to be looking up and down. So I am going to just go ahead and make my way back over here.
That is poison ivy.
What is?
There. The 3 leaves, yeah.
Do not. Poison ivy.
That's okay, I'm just glad I didn't step down with that stuff.
Oops, something happened.
Almost tripped.
I took Taylor's shoe off.
Yeah, he flat tired me.
This trail will go back around, then we'll be able to get out of here. What is this? Aw, how adorable. Someone's in love with a pretty mouse?
An axe murderer. Just said
The flick off that.
It's a trap!
I don't know if I want to walk through that.
Nope.
The way back. Walking behind the ugliest motherfucker. You should really check out Casey Neistat's vlogs.
I second that.
Yes, seconded by this wonderful and beautiful man right here. Well, we're about to be done with the film because I am running out of camera space, or rather phone space, but whatever. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sure that I'll be back here again, and I will be probably adding some more things to this, so we might not be by yet. But goodbye, peace.